Let's go to our last recipe. We're having dessert, Carob fudge brownies. For that, we need 1 cup oat flour, 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1/2 cup carob powder, 1 cup chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon coffee substitute. You can use Roma, Cafix, or Postum. 1 tablespoon aluminum-free baking powder, 3/4 cup turbinado sugar, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1.5 cups soy milk. For the frosting, you need 1/4 cup soy milk powder, 1/4 cup carob powder, 1/2 cup honey, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. I always think every good meal needs to end with a good, especially a Sabbath meal, something that would be a special occasion, a special meal. And we're having a healthy brownie here.
That's right. And this is Larry's favorite, and the Carob fudge brownies. So we make this one for our anniversary, birthday, his birthday, my birthday. So any occasion. So I make this one all the time. And then I got such a good comments from the chocolate eaters. But we are not using any chocolate, but such a good flavor. So I'm going to show you step by step how to make brownie. You know, when I came to America about 32 years ago, Larry said, make me some brownie. So I went to store. You know, they had a box.
Yeah.
Then I said, wow, I never eat this, but they're so good. But now you can, you know, they are not really healthy. So I'm going to show you how to make a healthy one.
Very nice.
Yeah, this is, I'm going to use oat flour. So if you don't have oat flour, you can just ground the oats in the blender.
It works very well.
Then it works really good. And this is a whole wheat flour.
Okay.
So this is a whole grain.
It is.
How this one look like a fudgy brownie, because I am using carob powder, which is the chocolate substitute, but it's all naturals, so no caffeine whatsoever. And I don't know, do you like to put walnuts in your brownie? That's what we do. So you need 1 cup.
1 cup.
And you can eat something healthy and sweet and good for your brain.
Oh yeah, walnuts is very high in omega-3.
And it also give you lots of energy because we're using a whole grain. And I put a carob powder. I'm adding some, this is a coffee substitute called, I'm using a Cafix, which is coffee substitute and carob powder, which give you really chocolate flavor. Yeah.
You need the coffee substitute to combine with the carob.
That's right.
Absolutely.
And this is aluminum-free baking powder. And I'm using turbinado sugar. You can get it from any local grocery store. This one has more minerals, like calcium, iron, minerals. Actually, if you are very sensitive to sugar, and I would like to recommend you can use half of the sugar and half of the stevia. So
that's a good option.
Yes, so 1 teaspoon stevia equal to 1/4 cup sugar. So that's what I do at home. And the last one, I'm going to go ahead and put some salt. I talk too much, don't I?
No.
By the way,
we need the information, and that's so helpful to know why we're doing what we're doing and what are the healthful qualities in the different food that we're eating.
That's
so
right.
That's a good thing.
People want to know.
I'm glad, absolutely.
Yeah, they want to know what's wrong with the real brownie. And so they need to know that. Then after you mix all the dry ingredients, then you can add vegetable oil. We don't use any butter here.
Okay.
Then this is a soy milk. Like I told you at home, I love to cook.
Yes.
This is vanilla. And sometimes spend 2-3 hours in my kitchen working on new recipe and cooking for church or cooking for something. I love to, I don't know if you ever heard Jill Morricone's CD. You know, even though I only see her once a year or twice a year, and you are in my kitchen every day. because I'm listening to your CD while I'm cooking. And then people are knowing, and I'm singing along, and I say, wow, Jesus in my kitchen. So I'm having
Praise
a
God.
Jesus
That's
party.
the beautiful thing about music. You can combine the music and cooking.
Yeah.
This is what you do. That's
Right.
wonderful. So
See,
we're going to...
the mixing is done. And all you need to do, when you have 8x8 big pans, maybe that's what you need to do, but we don't.
So you're using kind of a pie.
It's a pie
Yes.
dishes. So you can make actually, even though brownie, it just look like a cake too. So let's go ahead and transfer to your baked dishes.
Okay.
Okay, make sure that you turn your oven at 350 degrees.
You want it preheated.
Preheated. Yeah, that way you can.
How long does it
how
bake
long?
for?
It's about 30 minutes. It will work.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, 30 to 35 minutes. Oh, it depends on your oven.
And we have one that's all baked here because we want to
Yeah.
get to the frosting part. That one's all finished and the final product, and then we have one that's baked without the frosting on it.
Yeah. So what I will do, I will show you the frosting. We have
you
time for
go.
the frosting.
We have time for the frosting.
All right. So you will need a half cup honey, then soy milk powder, and this one is Carob powder. This will make a wonderful cake topping too. You will need a little bit of soy. What is it? Salt. Thank
We
you.
need salt in all of that, absolutely.
It seems like you want mixing it, but you just take your time with a spoon, please.
Yes.
Yeah, it stick better.
Yes.
And when you make some cake, you just dribble on it. It's just so pretty too.
Ooh, yes.
So I thought maybe you like to see how the frosting look like.
We would
So-
indeed like to see.
Okay, see?
Oh yeah, I can see that.
This takes
just
only
takes a little bit of
about a
time.
minute. Okay. Then after that, we already pre-bake.
This one
Brownie,
we've baked,
yeah.
and that has no frosting on it.
No frosting on it, so you just dribble on top of it.
You have to wait till it cools first, and then
Yes,
make okay.
that will be better. This dish is always so heavy. Hold this one hold for me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna try to take it all out.
It looks wonderful.
Okay, and after that, I think good enough. At home, I will take it all out, but now we don't have much time, so you just lay on top of it
Very nice.
nicely and cover all the way to top.
Would you put it in the fridge?
No,
No, you
this
serve
is,
at room temperature?
Yeah, this is just fine.
Perfect,
And
okay.
now I have one more step to do after this one.
Ooh,
And we
looks good.
at home we love walnuts. Every day we're gonna eat walnut for our memory. So
that is important.
yeah, so every morning we have walnuts on our table. So good enough. I will make it more perfect at home, but after that you just sprinkle some walnuts
got some
on
walnuts
top
on
of it.
top.
Yeah, then it will be wonderfully delicious and good for you. So
Oh, it smells good. I can smell it. It
I
smells
know our
wonderful.
crews they are waiting. Brownie.
We're
They have to
waiting
find with
to have
Larry.
our brownies.
Larry
Excellent.
loves this. Okay, how about that? Now
It
we
looks
can maybe show our finished
wonderful.
product.
And it looks the same.
Same as yeah.
They do. They
Yeah.
actually look very similar. The
Yeah.
one there and the one here. They look wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.